Want to see what kind of things they send you in a Walmart beauty box? Keep watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's bonus video, we are going to do a quick review of the Walmart beauty box. As you guys know, I've tried several different subscription services lately, and I actually have been unaware of most of these subscription services. I'm learning about them by jumping on other people's channels who are doing reviews and things of various different services, and it just interests me after I see what they got to give it a try. So that's how I found out about this Walmart beauty box. I am not sure which channel I'm on, so I'm just going to give a shout out to both the channels. It was either Kelly's Unboxing and Reviews or Blessed GMP. I'm not sure which channel I was on, but they both did the Walmart beauty box review, so it could have been either one of their channels. They are both very lovely ladies. They have great videos with great ideas if you're into subscription services or you just like to shop in general. They have several different ones that they do on their channel, so definitely jump over to the channels, check them out. I have them both linked in the description box below. So today, as I said, we're doing the Walmart beauty box, and this one's going to be really quick. It's a $5 shipping fee if you want to do this, and you get a box 4 times a year. So it's like a seasonal box. So for all 4 seasons, you would receive a box, and it's $5 each time. So it's very inexpensive, and it's actually well worth $5. I mean, we drop $5 on a pop sometimes, you know what I mean? So $5 with these, they're mainly sample products. You really don't get full-size things, which is fine. I mean, it gives you a chance to try something out that you otherwise wouldn't be able to try. So for $5, totally worth it. Let's jump into what they sent me in my box. Okay, guys, so here's the box. Woohoo! So exciting, right? You know, the little Walmart symbol here looks like a flower. Does it not? It totally looks like a flower. If you just put like a little center in there and you put this in a frame, you could totally hang this on your wall. Just saying. But anyways, this is the box that it comes in. So super fun. So don't expect a lot. As I said, the products are sample sizes. You rarely will get a full size product, but this is still totally worth it for $5. So let's jump in and see what they sent me in this box. Okay, so the first thing they have in the box for me is this, hello, it's a charcoal infused tapered bristles toothbrush. It's naturally friendly. See, naturally friendly. BPA free toothbrush. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, actually. BPA free. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use this. I mean, I might give it a try. I use like one of those electronic toothbrushes. So I don't know. I love the fact that it's natural. It's friendly. It says on the back here that your mouth says thank you. So, you know, I want my mouth to say thank you to me. So I don't know. Will I try this? You know, maybe not. If I don't, I will definitely give it to somebody else who would like to have this. So let's move on to the next item. Okay, so this next item I should have done with the first item, but I didn't. So, yeah, here it is. Hello. Hello. It's the toothpaste. So it's activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil, and it says it's epic. Epic whitening. Who doesn't want that, right? It's fluoride-free toothpaste. So, again, I don't know how I feel about it. Like, let's open this. Is it black? Because, you know, when I think charcoal, I think black. So, I mean, is the toothpaste black, or is it just, you know, why can't I open this? It's the nails, or me holding the cap with the nails. I don't know. I can't open this though. So I guess we'll never know, guys, because I can't open this. Try with my teeth. Oh my gosh. I can't open it, so we're never going to know if this is black or not. Let me get something else because it's going to make me crazy. I'll be right back. Let me go ahead and pop this open with something and we'll see if it's actually black. Let's do that now. Okay, guys, I'm back. That was like, you know, way harder than it needed to be. Just saying. But it's definitely black. See? Black. So it says epic whitening. So if somebody has tried this, please let me know, because I'm just really confused how you're going to do some epic whitening with black. I mean, I can see epic blackening happening, but I don't know. Okay. I don't know that I'll try this. I wonder if it tastes good. Should I try it? Why not? Wow. Yeah, it's staining my tongue. So okay, guys, we're going to get off this, but I just, this is just really puzzling to me. I don't understand this. Yeah, so there's that. Let's move on. Okay, so now that I've totally derailed this video, let's move on to the next item, and it is a Biore Rose Quartz plus charcoal, great for oily skin. I mean, that sounds really good, right? It deep cleans and radiates. It says self-love, right? So this sounds good, right? So, yeah, let's give it a smell. Oh, yes. Yeah, I'm feeling this. Okay, so I'll definitely give this one a try. It's not a black color like that other one. So, yeah, this sounds good. So, maybe we'll give this a try. Right? Whatever. Let's move on to the next item. Okay, guys, so the next item that they sent in the box is this NYX. Okay, hold up, guys. I know that I pronounced that wrong. I just watched a ton of people put on makeup and they used this product and they pronounced it NYX, not NYX. So clearly I don't know my brands, and it definitely shows in this clip here. Just wanted to clarify that I know what it is now. Let's move on. This is Everything Lip Oil. That sounds pretty good too. I mean, I've never used a lip oil before, but my lips are always dry. So this sounds like this might be something I might want to try. And it says it's professional makeup, guys. Professional. So does that make me a professional when I use it? Or, how does it work? I don't know. Whatever. So yeah, it says it's sheer sky blue. This is really the color? Wow. I mean, I thought that was just the color of the bottle. This is the color. Oh, that's the color of the stuff. Wow. So my lip's going to be blue when I put this on? Should I try it? I have to film after this. I have another video I have to film, but okay. Are my lips blue? No. Okay, so that's just the color of them, of the stuff. Okay, so yeah, I mean, my lips are literally always dry, especially in the wintertime, so I'll give this a try, and if this works out well for me, then this could be something that I continue to buy in the future. It depends on how much it is. They don't give you prices. I'd like to know how much this stuff costs if I wanted to buy it. Guess I'll just have to Google it like everybody else does on Amazon, really. So anyways, yeah, I think I got one more item for you guys, and that's going to wrap up this box. Hey there, Amber here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to pop in and say that if you're enjoying this video, I have so many more like it and many more to come. So make sure that you're subscribed, you click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss any of the fun stuff I have going on here. Let's jump back into this awesome haul. Okay, I lied. I have 2 more items for you guys. So they also sent this Calm magnesium supplement. So I gotta say, when I saw this, I thought that this was something you put in your bathtub, like a bath salt type situation. You just sit, you relax, and you be calm, right? But it says raspberry lemon flavor. So it wouldn't say flavor unless you were supposed to drink it, right? I'm just saying. So I might not be the brightest crayon on the box, but I'm learning. So it says it's 235 milligrams of magnesium that you get in 1 packet. And you're going to mix 1 packet into a cup or a mug, and you add 2 to 3 ounces of warm water. Warm water? And let your drink fizz. Stir the drink until the powder is completely dissolved. Then fill the remainder of the cup with warm or cold water. Okay. You can put cold water in it. I just can't imagine drinking raspberry lemon warm. That doesn't sound good at all. Well, I probably will give this a try. I mean, Lord knows I need to be calm sometimes. So, and then it says now experience calm. So, I mean, is this from the commercials? Don't they have those commercials with like the rain? Like it's calm. So, yeah, but whatever. I'll give it a try if it works well. I don't know what the benefits of it is aside from being calm. Great. So there's this. And let's move on to the last item in my box. Okay, guys. So we're going to wrap up this Walmart box with this final item that they sent to me. And it is this. It is Dove Care Between Washes Go Active Dry Conditioner. Wow, I didn't even know there was such a thing as a dry conditioner. I've heard of the dry shampoos, but I didn't know you can dry condition. That's kind of cool, right? So for times when washing is not part of the plan, but beautiful hair is. Oh, how fabulous. So you know what? It leaves your hair nourished and touchably soft. Yeah, this sounds great. I'm actually for sure gonna give this a try. I'm actually really excited about it because I didn't know there was such a thing. And again, this will be a great product for me to use in between washes. Yeah, so honestly, guys, I really am going to give this a try. I didn't know there was such a thing, and I'm actually really excited to give it a try because I do not wash my hair every single day. It's actually not healthy for my texture of hair. So this will be great for the days that I don't wash my hair. That's pretty awesome. I'm actually quite excited about this. This is actually a good buy. $5, guys. I mean, this is not bad for $5. I'm going to try some products I wouldn't otherwise try. I'm pretty excited about this. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So they also, just to keep this rolling here, they also send you some things if you want to learn some more information about the stuff that's in here. This is the Spring Beauty Sensations. Shop the season's products and find ingredient information at walmartbeauty.com. So, and this is for the Calm. So apparently you can get some kind of code if you want to buy more of that stuff. Again, I don't know how much any of it costs because these are just little samples. So I don't know how much it costs if you get the big ones. If I'm smart when I'm editing this, I will pop that information up for you guys so that you have how much it would cost should you be interested in buying things like this. But I am really excited that I did this. So thank you to either one of those lovely ladies that brought this to my attention. It was either Kelly from Kelly's Unboxing and Reviews or the Blessed GMP channel. I'm not sure which one it was, but whichever one it was, probably both of them, who knows. I am so glad that I gave this a try because I definitely think it's worth $5, guys. You only have to pay for the shipping. You get these free samples, try the stuff, see if you like it, and if you do, then you go find it and you buy it. It's that simple. So I'm pretty excited about it. I hope that you found this helpful or useful in some way with all my shenanigans. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! I didn't even know about this. I was actually on another YouTuber's channel, Kelly's Unboxing and Reviews, and on her channel, she reviewed the Walmart Beauty Box. I had no idea about it. It's possible it was on the God Bless GMP. Hold on. Let me see. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. That was so off. Like so off. Wow. I don't know. Something's off. Wow. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I decided to throw out a bonus video for you guys, and that was completely backwards, and I need to do it again. This is awesome. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Why am I pausing? Why am I pausing? I don't understand that. Okay, again. Okay, guys, so the first item that they sent me in the box, why is he screaming? What is he screaming for? I'm crooked. Hi. All right, let's fix this. Woo. Okay, guys, so the first thing they sent me in the box is this Hello charcoal infused. Do it again. Wow. Hello activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. Let's do it again. It's the Hello toothpaste. It says it's activated. Oh, Noah. Okay, so this next item I should have done with the first item, but you know, I didn't. So here it is. Yay! Hello. Yeah, hello. Whoa. Hello. Okay, so the next item that I got in my box, and I actually opened it this time, guys. I already learned from my mistakes so that you don't have to watch me fumble around and show you the thing before I'm ready. Do it again. Okay, guys, so the next item that they sent to me is this NYX. Why can't I have it ready? Like, let's try it again. Okay. Do it again.